ESOL 4. I am recording your lesson for the week of April 6th, 7th, and 8th. When you go to Google Classroom and you click on the slides, you find this video and the slides. This week, April 6th or 8th, our goals for the week are to 1, continue to get comfortable with online school, 2, review some online vocabulary tools you can use, 3, we are going to read summaries of chapter 16 through 18 of The Giver. Because we don't have the book at home, Ms. Horowitz, Ms. Tran, and I wrote summaries of the book that you will read. Goal number 4, you will answer some comprehension questions in complete sentences. And number 5, you will turn in work that will be a grade in marking period 3. Please note down here at the bottom that right here, I'm going to highlight it for you. Your answers to the comprehension questions are due this Friday, April 10th. Okay, the next slide. The next slide, we're going to talk about some vocabulary tools you can use online at home. If you click on this link, it will take you to dictionary.com. Dictionary.com, you can put in a word and it'll give you the definition. You can hear the pronunciation, and that should help you. There's another thing here called the Read and Write app. See this little purple puzzle piece? It's something you get from the Google Chrome's web store. It's free. And if you add the purple puzzle piece, you'll see I have it at the top of my screen. If you click on that, that app will read Word docs to you. So if you would like to hear the summary of The Giver, you can click on the purple puzzle piece. You can click on the purple puzzle piece and it will read it to you. It will also help you look up words you don't know. So that is something you want to see. If you already have that on your computer, you should use it. Ms. Horowitz said that many students might have already had that. If you don't have it, you can go to the Chrome web store and get it. Okay, the next thing we're doing today is, this is the main work for the week. Again, you don't have the book. You are going to read and do questions due April 10th. Here are your directions. You'll go back to Google Classroom. Number 1, you will read the summary of chapter 16. Number 2, you will answer 5 questions about chapter 16. After that, number 3, you'll read the summary of chapters 17 and 18. It's together. And then number 4, you're going to answer 5 questions. So altogether, it's just 10 questions. The grade is, and I want to highlight this here, the grade is a 20-point formative, 20 points. There's 10 questions. It's 2 points for each question. You get 1 point for having the correct answer and 1 point for writing in a complete sentence. On the assignment, which I'm going to click here you'll see, here is the summary. It's not very long. And then here are the questions. And the questions, you'll see there is a model. So you can look at a model question and answer before you do yours. Okay, the next thing I want to go over here is just some reminders. Remember our online tips for success. Number 1, keep in touch. Email me, text me, call me, whatever you need to do if you have a question. Number 2, take care of yourself, okay? Make sure you're eating good and getting sleep. Number 3, ask for help when you need it. You can ask me, you can ask your friends. All of you know somebody in class. If you don't know somebody in class and you want me to partner you up with someone, I can do that. Number 4, manage your time. Okay, some of you have to take care of people in your family or you have a job. This is going to be a big responsibility, but you will have to schedule your time. I'm giving you this lesson and your other teachers are giving you lessons on Monday. You have the week to do them. So get started, set aside some time every day to do your work and make sure you check in with your teachers if you don't understand what you're supposed to do. Up here, you still have the calendar. I want you to see that there's a calendar you can go back and review. And finally, on the last slide, there's ways to contact me. So have a great week. I will be checking in with you. You can check in with me. And if you have questions,